Today we're harvesting 35 KO2, Pioneer 35 KO2, non-GMO, 106-day hybrid. It was planted April 19th. Planting population of 38,000. We put on 150 units of nitrogen, 78 units of phosphate, 120 units of phosphorus in strip-tilled soybean ground. It's running about 16% moisture and a little north of 200 bushel an acre. We're in northern LaSalle County, northern Illinois. We were hot and dry, but we were fortunate enough to catch a rain in July, and it certainly made a good crop for us.